This free step-by-step
Remove the
video
bulb
comes to you
holder from the
directly from
taillight
Haynes,
housing by
creators
turning
of the
it
world's best
counterclockwise.
repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Open the liftgate. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 2 mounting screws. Pull the forward section of the light assembly straight out from the side of the vehicle to release the front pins. Remove the bulb holder from the taillight housing by turning it counterclockwise. Remove the necessary bulbs from their holder. Install the necessary new bulbs into the holder. Install the bulbs in their holders back into the taillight housing, aligning the notches, and turn clockwise to secure. Place the taillight housing back onto the vehicle, aligning the pins. Press in on the housing to lock it into place. Screw in the 2 Phillips mounting screws securely. Remove the bulb holder from the taillight housing by turning it counterclockwise.